Hello and welcome to the OSCY, the Online Solving Challenge for the Youth. This long-planned project has been carefully prepared by Brian Cook and his helpers, and it is a wonderful initiative to indulge more youth in chess solving, which is accessible to all. And thus, it deserves our joint support. And the best thing is that it's free to take part in. There are many external benefits too. For instance, the first round may be a perfect training for the 20th International Solving Contest, which is right the next week. So let's dive right into the important links and resources present. First of all, I'm looking at the OSCY press release, and it talks about how that it is for young chess players from 5 to 21 to test their skills at chess problem solving. And it gives some mentions about some success stories which are amazing GMs of solving, and then it provides us some links, full OSCY details at the tournament website. So clicking on the tournament website gives us to this page, ihandicap.mobile, and it's basically the online solving challenge for youth website where everything will be present. First of all, if you want to register for it, you just have to click this button, after which it will ask you to open an application, which will be your mailbox probably, and you just have to put your name, year of birth and nationality, and boom, you're already in the solving contest. So, or you can of course email them if that's not working at this email address. So let's look at the schedule first. It's a bi-monthly contest, so it will happen like Jan, March, May, and so on and so forth. And there will be two events every time. So there will be a classical event and there will be a blitz event. So it's somewhat close to mirroring chess as what it's like. So the classical event will be a Mason 2, Maiden 4, Help Maiden 2, Maiden 3, Study, and a Self Maiden N. So these are the problems which you will find, and this is the format. In the Blitz one, you will have Maiden 2s and you will have 20 of them, and you have to solve them in the desired time period. And this is the same for all of them. So it's 14 January, 10th March, and so on and so forth. As I already told you, it's designed for people who are aged 5 to 21, so the youth. And then this is the vital information that you can find from the OSCY team. And it's basically about how the solving experience is like. So since it's an online thing, the readers and the solvers must be equipped with how they can solve and input their solutions inside. And so this is a wonderful document prepared which exactly tells you how. So first of all, there's a level 1, the tourney page, in which it shows you that it's a classical and a blitz. After which, when it is open, you just have to go to the problems page and input your solutions to each of the problems by clicking on them and then moving the pieces on. Just remember that it is not drag and drop, it's one click and then another click to the starting square and the end square, and the rest you can just submit. Other than that, it is a pretty simple way to submit and a very nice user interface which has been prepared. Going on, it then tells you about some books which you can buy if you want to study more about how you can solve better from world champions, that is Mutsia and John Nunn. And it's of course telling you what they are and why they're highly recommended. You can learn from your local experts, and then there's a quick guide to the OSCY solving platform which I just showed you, the solving experience. And finally, it gives you a link to the WFCC. And now, the WFCC is of course the World Federation for Chess Composition, in which you can find the links navigation bar where you can see all of the links present for chess composition. And there are many different resources there for you to prepare for chess solving. And of course, there are some discussion forums too. So, good luck and happy solving.